it's wonderful for us all to be able to gather here together like this, isn't it? Many of you, of course, I've known for the last many years, and it is such a joy to have you back. Many others I have just got to know, and I hope this will be the start of a rich friendship that will last nothing less than a lifetime. Whether you have been taking care of patients, building or renovating slum centers, or working with our children, you have brought together an amazing variety of inner qualities and unique gifts. I have to say that each one of you is a remarkable individual, marked out by great compassion, resolution, and courage. Your presence here symbolizes not just a sharing of material goods, but a sharing of the heart. I believe that each poor person is one of infinite beauty, of eternal value, and priceless and irreplaceable. In your presence, they have experienced the truthful and tender encounter of love. I hope you also have enjoyed their warmth and generous hospitality, their enthusiasm and spirit of brotherhood. I am also happy that you have such a marvelous opportunity to get to know each other today. My dream is that the Asha family worldwide grows into a great movement made up of individuals who stand with Asha for peace, for justice, for freedom from the shame of poverty, indignity, and oppression. And to that end, it is my hope that you will return to your countries as advocates and champions of this shared vision, and that multitudes upon multitudes will join us on our journey and sign up to an expression of solidarity with our goals. In closing, I'd like to say that we can never put a value on your contribution to Asha. How can we value something that is priceless? I can only say that it is simply and utterly magnificent. Thank you for the richness of your friendship and your prayers that have sustained us all these years. Please take our warmest greetings and our gratitude to all those back home who have supported you in your mission. May God bless you one and all, and I hope you have a lovely evening. Thank you.